Experiencing issues with Optus Webmail? Let's address common problems like login failures, IMAP, SMTP connectivity, and browser cache conflicts. Firstly, for login problems, double-check your Optus username, usually your phone number or alias, and password. Remember that Optus now uses two-factor authentication, 2FA by default, so you'll need a verification code from SMS or your authenticator app. If you're still locked out, try resetting your password via the Optus website. For IMAP SMTP issues, ensure your email client has the correct server settings. IMAP server is imap.optusnet.com.au, port 993 with SSL, and SMTP server is smtp.optusnet.au, port 587 with TLS. Always enable SSL TLS for secure connections. If problems persist, temporarily disable your firewall to see if it's blocking the connection. Finally, browser cache can cause errors like unable to load page. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. In Firefox, go to Options, Privacy and Security, Clear Data. Restart your browser and try again. These quick fixes resolve many common Optus Webmail issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Optus Webmail issues, consider these advanced solutions. For IMAP sync problems, especially with large inboxes, try compressing your mailbox via the Optus web interface. Outdated email client software can also cause issues. Update to the latest version. If you recently changed your Optus account details, ensure these changes are reflected in your email client settings. Looking ahead, Optus is increasingly relying on cloud-based infrastructure. Optus migrated to Microsoft Azure in 2024 for better stability. Mobile app usage is surging, so ensure your Optus app is up to date. Keep an eye out for future AI-driven troubleshooting tools, such as the chatbot Optus plans to launch in Q1 2026, which will diagnose and fix problems in real time. Be aware of potential cyber threats, use strong, unique passwords, and be cautious of phishing attempts. By 2030, expect webmail services like Optus to integrate more closely with unified communications platforms, blending email with chat and video.